Happy Kristi Himmelsfärdsdag, or in English, Ascension Day. Yes, as I was cycling to this new beach spot for me, there was the Swedish flag hanging on the local buses here in Stockholm. As always on a national holiday, on the red day, they have the buses, the Swedish flag on the front, on the front top part of the bus. They are waving the Swedish flag. So I also thought to start the video also with the Swedish flag from this beach spot over here on the lake Orlången. This location here is very close to Balingsta, which is a windmill for wheat. But you can't see it from here as there is a bit of fields in between. And I have found this spot by mistake, or not by mistake, or by misfortune, as my regular spot on this lake was taken by a few other people. It is just 200 meters away from here, so I turned on the Dora Explorer mode and found this beautiful spot that's even better than that one and even easier accessible with my bicycle as well, that I took today on this 9-kilometer journey to this spot located in Huddinge municipality. So 9 kilometers of cycling plus around 500 meters of walk along the fields, and I have sensed some mosquitoes along the way. But I just really love this spot. It is so beautiful and so scenic, and I just can't believe that I haven't found this spot before. So I might be coming back to this one, because there is also a very nice spot just next to the lake to chill, and you have here sun all day long as well. It was almost a year since I've been to this lake, even though it's very close to my home. I don't usually tend to visit it, but maybe I will come again soon. And yes, this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I'm exploring different beaches in Stockholm, my hometown, but also around the world as well on my travels. And I have hit 30,000 subscribers the other day, and it seems like today I'm gonna hit 31,000. So it goes really fast. I'm so happy for how my Eurovision content is really doing so good. Now, today is beach number 21, and as I mentioned, it's a national holiday in Sweden on this 29th of May 2025. The time is 15:15, so 3:15 p.m. and in this beautiful nature you can chill alone, also maybe naked as well, because there is a bit too far to the other side, which is a public beach. You basically don't see it that much actually. And I just really love this also over here, this small bay that looks amazing over here as well, with the high cliff. And I think this will be my spot where I'm gonna get in, because from this end it's a bit trickier indeed. Alright, so time for my relaxation of the day, as I am still very busy with my Eurovision content. I'm posting all different content, and yeah, that's about it. Now the month is coming to an end, but next week, the end of next week, I'm traveling to a Mediterranean destination. Can you guess which one in the comments? Or you need to wait for a few more days to learn about it. Okay, now let's go. It's a very hot day, 20 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 degrees in the lake I have just measured. So quite nice and warm indeed. The water doesn't look like super clear, but I'm assuming it is clean enough, and I have been into a lot of worse lakes than this one. So this is quite nice indeed. And we have on the other end Sundby. It is a farm, and there is also a conference center. I may go there some other day during the week when there is no people. As I see now, some people on the beach, and here I am all alone and I have the sun facing me, so this is Absolutely stunning. All right, now Orlången, beautiful lake in Huddinge. And here I think it is also very deep as well in the lake. So are we ready for today's beach adventure? Because I am ready, set, and go! Oh my god, this is amazing. I just love this type of setting. And I can't believe that it took me 10 years living in Stockholm to find this spot. I will be returning here for sure. It's also very nice for filming my dance videos, especially later in the afternoon when the sun is going in that direction. It's so beautiful. I love it. This can be definitely a clothing optional beach spot, as it is in the middle of the farm and the forest, and there is nobody here inside. Beautiful! Kristi Himmelsfärdsdag. So I'm sharing the name with this holiday because my name is Christian, obviously. And the holiday is actually for Ascension Day, 40 days after Easter, because of Jesus Christ, obviously. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching this video with me. I'm gonna be chilling here longer today as we have a beautiful sunny day. I am a bit sad that I didn't went to the sea, but there will be a lot more sea days later in the summer for sure. So yeah, greetings from Orlången in Huddinge. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another fish adventure on my channel, Fish Adventures with Kris.